Guardian's Project Configurations is a powerful feature to configure and apply Guardian's proactive protection to all of your project models. Project configurations perform like templates, automatically applying Guardian's protections when a new project model is registered. In addition, any change to the settings within a project configuration will automatically propagate out to all models that have that project configuration applied. This provides live control of your project models. In this video, we will provide a high-level overview of the project configurations that include basic strategies, creating unique configurations, navigating the project configurations dialog, and how configurations can be customized on a model-by-model basis. In subsequent videos, we will demonstrate each of the features and settings within project configurations in greater detail. Project configurations can be found under the Settings button in the Revit ribbon and will only be available to project and company administrators. On the left side of the Project Configurations dialog is the list of project configurations created by your firm. For firms first starting to set up Guardian, only Company Default will be available. By utilizing the Add New, Rename, Delete, and Copy buttons along the bottom, new configurations can be created. The star is used to set up the default project configurations that is automatically applied when a new project is registered with Guardian that does not meet any of the existing registration rules. Check out the video about registration rules to learn about applying project configurations as part of the automatic project registrations. While some firms establish a single project configuration for the entire firm, most will establish multiple project configurations that provide custom proactive protections for different disciplines, project typologies, regions, client standards, or even project configurations for Revit families. Some firms use project configurations as the primary means for managing Guardian settings at the project level, while others will utilize the project settings capabilities for project-level customizations. The project settings methodology will be demonstrated later in this video. Within each project configuration, a custom password can be created to provide Revit end users the ability to execute custom interactions and user commands that have been set to the Prevent Protection mode under that project configuration. Allow Screenshots turns on the ability for Guardian to capture before and after screenshots for many of the custom interactions. These screenshots are available in Guardian's Project Central and Guardian Backstage. Some projects and clients do not permit that type of project information to be provided, and thus, allow screenshots can be disabled accordingly. Each project configuration provides last modified information to keep track of who has edited the project configuration. Under the Administrators tab, company administrators can add project administrators, providing them editing permissions to the project configuration. As mentioned earlier, there are multiple strategies for applying and managing project model level customizations, and this allows the project administrator to customize this project configuration as they see fit for their projects. To note once again, a change in the project configuration will propagate to all projects registered under that project configuration, regardless of what project that project administrator is assigned to. Under the Custom Interactions tab, custom interactions are the proactive protections based on specific workflows. Detailed videos for each of the custom interactions and all other tabs are provided in subsequent videos. As additional custom interactions are regularly being added, we have made it easy to filter all the various custom interactions. The next tab over is User Commands. User commands are the proactive protections based on specific Revit commands. There are over 100 user commands. A search field is provided to quickly locate specific user commands. The Transactions tab provides customization on where and how Guardian keeps an eye on content that is loaded into your project model, ensuring non-compliant standards do not find their way into the project model. The next is Sync Properties. Sync Properties provides the means to sync all of the project properties with the company standards stored in Guardian's Sync Cloud repository. As mentioned earlier, once a project configuration is applied to a registered project, the settings can be customized on a model-by-model basis. All project model-specific customizations are made by selecting the Project Settings button. Project Settings is available to all company administrators and only to project administrators assigned to the project model. For a project model that has not been registered, the Project Settings button will be replaced with a Registered Project button. The Project Settings dialog looks similar to the Project Configuration dialog. A project administrator assigned to the project, or any company administrator, can customize any of these settings, and those settings will only be applied to the active project model. As a project setting is customized, the text color changes to blue, indicating it has been changed specifically for the active project model. At the same time, text appears in the upper right-hand corner stating, "Indicates settings have been overridden." This provides quick identification that settings have changed from the assigned project configuration. In the upper left-hand corner, the project configuration that was originally applied to the model is displayed. By selecting Restore Defaults, Guardian will clear all project model level changes and reconnect the project settings to the original project configuration. Guardian will prompt the administrator to reconnect to project configuration or copy from project configuration to create a new project configuration based on the customized project settings.